Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I am actually in my new office space, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of my new office. If you hear an echo, it's because it's virtually empty. But I'm so happy and excited, and I wanted to show you guys. I might not look happy and excited because I am tired, but so here's my new office space. You can see there's pretty much nothing in here. My embroidery machine, my double doors, a few of my craft supplies. I do have windows, but out of respect for my neighbors, I don't want to show you everything. My desk is in place. And you see I have a chair and everything's kind of just temporary. Things are just put in here for now. I was just looking up a new office chair. But yeah, guys, this is my new space. Go all the way around. Back to my windows. That's my new space. So, like I said, I was looking for some office chairs. Well, an office chair. I was trying to decide what to get. There's quite a few things that I know I want to put in my office space. You guys let me know. Help me decorate. If you have any recommendations, let me know. Any organizational tips, I am certainly open. So thank you guys. If you've seen me be quiet for a little while, that's why. I was working on something big. So again, thank you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all of the old subscribers that's been rocking with me. I do hope to have some new videos coming soon. If it's something in particular you guys want to see, let me know. And have a good one.